So how would you recommend to structure this 2-3 weeks?
I would definitely say mocks. I mean, we got into this because I used the one-on-ones, and I found, especially for advocacy and interviewing, I found them tremendously helpful, and it takes some of the edge off. So if you have the opportunity and the capability to do them, it sort of takes a bit of the shock of, oh, someone's assessing me, and it takes a little bit of that extra edge off. I spent my last couple of weeks doing a lot of mocks, even ones that I'd done before. I tried to do again, and just tuning in them skills of identifying the information. I mean, you're not going to remember all of the law, but if you have a good approach to the questions and you're practicing them skills, so mocks for me. And I also just spent a couple of sort of an hour or so every day, just sort of looking through some material and things like that, and just refreshing my knowledge overall, but then focusing on specific questions, and then a few flashcards. What I found is people tend to do the flashcards, in my opinion, a bit early, where they end up, by the end of it, from doing all the study, you tend to know a few topics quite easily. It's only there's only like 3 or 4 flashcards you end up in your hand at the end of study, I find, that actually is stuff that you haven't ingested. So a couple of key ones, a couple of key flashcards, a little bit of a sort of read through of all the material on a consistent basis, and then definitely the predominant amount of time I found mocks were useful.